In this video, let us solve 3 more problems related to application of sum or difference or product to sum formula. We also call it as transformation formula. Please give it a try yourself and you can come back and watch the solution. Let's start with the first one now. In the first question, we have to prove that sine of 5a minus sine 7a plus sine 8a minus sine 4a, the whole thing divided by cos 4a plus cos 7a minus cos 5a minus cos 8a, this will be equal to cot 6a or cotangent of 6a. So here we are going to apply the formula of sin C minus sin D, which is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 times sine of C minus D by 2. We are also going to apply the formula of cos C plus cos D. So just to keep it consistent, let us consider it as cos C plus cos D. It does not matter, it can be cos A plus cos B also. So this will be 2 cos of C plus D by 2 and cos of C minus D by 2. And the other one we are going to apply is cos C minus cos D, which is 2 sine C plus D by 2 and sine of D minus C by 2. So let's use this 3 formula and apply it on the question. So let's group sin 5a and sin 7a and sin 8a and sin 4a. So the first application here would be sin C minus sin D, which is 2 cos C plus D by 2, 5a plus 7a by 2 and sine of 5a minus 7a by 2. And the second application is plus 2 sine 8a, sorry, it is 2 cos 8a plus 4a by 2 and sine of 8a minus 4a by 2. And the denominator would be 2 cos 4a plus. So here this is important. Now what are we going to group? I wanted to discuss that first. Because we require 6a, we have to group two things which actually result in C plus D by 2 equal to 6a. So here we will group 4a and 8a and 7a and 5a together. So this will be cos C minus cos D for cos 4a minus cos 8a. So that will be 2 sine C plus D by 2, that is 4a plus 8a by 2 and sine of D minus C, which is 8a minus 4a by 2. Now we are going to group cos 7a minus cos 5a. Those are the two terms. So that will be plus 2 sine 7a plus 5a by 2 and sine of 5a minus 7a by 2. Okay, now let's simplify this. So we would get 2 cos 6a and sine of minus a plus 2 cos 6a times sine of 2a. So that is our numerator. And the denominator would be 2 sine 6a times sine of 2a and plus 2 sine 6a times sine of minus a. Okay, now we have 2 cos 6a common in the numerator and sine of minus a is minus sine a plus sine 2a. In the denominator we have 2 sine 6a as common. So we have sine 2a. Now sine of minus a is minus sine a as common. So we can cancel out 2 as well as sin 2a minus sin a. So the answer would be cot 6a. So this is how we can solve the first question. Now let's try second one. In the second question, we have to prove that sin 5a times cos 2a minus sin 6a times cos a, this whole thing divided by sin a times sin 2a minus cos 2a times cos 3a, this will be equal to tan a. So the numerator, the first value is of the format sin a cos b, and in the denominator we have sin a sin b. That's the format we see. And in the last term we have cos a cos b. So these are the three formulas we are going to apply. But the thing is, we know the formula for 2 sin a cos b, which is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. And we know the formula for 2 sin a sin b, which is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. And the last formula we know is 2 cos a cos b, which is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So we are going to apply these three formulas now. So let's start with the numerator. So let's multiply the entire question with, multiply and divide with 2. So this will be 2 sin 5a cos 2a minus 2 sin 6a cos a, the whole thing divided by 2 sin a sin 2a minus 2 cos 2a cos 3a. Okay, so now the first part in the numerator can be changed to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So that will be sin of 5a plus 2a plus sin of 5a minus 2a, and minus, be careful with the brackets. Now again it is sin of 6a plus a plus sin of 6a minus a. Now this whole thing divided by cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So that will be cos of a minus 2a minus cos of a plus 2a minus, again be careful with the parenthesis here. So this will be cos of a plus b, which is 2a plus 3a plus cos of a minus b, which is 2a minus 3a. Okay, now let's simplify this further. So this will be sin of 7a plus sin of 3a minus sin of 7a minus sin of 5a, this divided by cos of a minus 2a is cos of minus a, which is cos a, minus cos 3a minus cos 5a, and again minus cos a. So now we can cancel out sin 7a in the numerator, and we can cancel out cos a in the denominator. So the whole thing can be written as sin 3a minus sin 5a divided by minus of cos 3a plus cos 5a. So this can be again rewritten as sin 5a minus sin 3a, just to solve for the negative sign, divided by cos 3a plus cos of 5a. Now this is of the format sin c minus sin d, correct? Now sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin of c minus d by 2. Let's apply that now. And in the denominator we have cos c plus cos d, which is 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos of c minus d by 2. So when we are applying both the formula now, we would get 2 cos c plus d by 2 is 5a plus 3a by 2 and sine of 5a minus 3a by 2. This whole thing divided by 2 cos 3a plus 5a by 2 and cos of 3a minus 5a by 2. Now we can cancel out 2. We can cancel out cos of 5a plus 3a. So we would have sine of 5a minus 3a by 2 is sine a and divided by cos of 3a minus 5a by 2 is cos of minus a, which is cos a. So this is nothing but tan a. So this is how we can solve the second question. In the third question, we have to prove that sin 3a cos 4a minus sin a cos 2a, the whole thing divided by sin 4a sin a plus cos 6a cos a will be equal to tan 2a. So in the question, we have formats of sin a cos b, and another format we have is sin a sin b, and the other one we have is cos a cos b. So we are going to use three formulas, which are, first one is 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a cos b, which is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Now the other formula we are going to use is 2 sin a sin b, which is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. And the last formula which we are going to use is 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Now let's divide and multiply the numerator with 2 so that we can apply these formulas. So our question would change to 2 sin 3a cos 4a minus 2 sin a cos 2a, this whole thing divided by 2 sin 4a sin a plus 2 cos 6a cos a. So let's start applying the formula now. So in the numerator, the first term would change to sin of a plus b, which is 3a plus 4a plus sin of a minus b, which is 3a minus 4a, then minus, please make sure you consider the entire brackets. So this will be sin of a plus 2a plus sin of a minus 2a, and this denominator would be 2 sin a sin b. So we are going to apply cos of a minus b, which is 4a minus a minus cos of a plus b, then plus cos of 6a plus a plus cos of 6a minus a. Okay, so there is no bracket here, we don't need that. Okay, now let's start simplifying this. We would get sin 7a minus sin a, because 3a minus 4a is sin of minus a, which is minus sin a, then minus sin 3a, and again this will be minus sin a, but there is a negative sign here, so this will be plus sin a, this whole thing divided by cos 3a minus cos 5a plus cos 7a plus cos 5a. So in the numerator we can cancel minus sin a and plus sin a, In the denominator, we can cancel out minus cos 5a and cos 5a. So this will change to sin 7a minus sin 3a divided by cos 3a plus cos 7a. Now we are going to apply the formula of sin c minus sin d in the numerator and cos c plus cos d in the denominator. So the numerator will be 2 cos c plus d by 2, which is 7a plus 3a by 2, and sine of c minus d by 2, which is 7a minus 3a by 2. And this one divided by 2 cos c plus d by 2, which is 3a plus 7a by 2 and cos of 3a minus 7a by 2. So we can cancel out 2. Also we can cancel out cos of 7a plus 3a by 2. Now we would have sine of 7a minus 3a, 4a by 2, which is sine 2a, divided by cos of 3a minus 7a, which is minus 4a by 2. So cos of minus 2a is cos 2a, because cos of minus x is cos x. So this will be equal to tan 2a. So this is how we can apply both the types of formulas and solve the third question. So please solve more problems like this. Watch all the videos in this playlist. Also, please share this with your friends and help the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.